Hey y'all, out and about, I'm finna run some errands. Go get my eyes examined. Go to the library. Yes, we still go to the library around here. And do a little bit of video making because today marks 1 week post Vsg and hiatal hernia repair. So I'm officially 7 days out. See you in a bit. Catch you on the flip side. Catch you on the flip side. So this is what happens when you can see your thighs and the seat at the same time. Look, and these my legs closed. Look my legs, y'all. Look my legs. Look my legs. Ooh, child. Recording through headset. Yepers. Hey, family. Mamie.Lynnette here. About to go for my walk. I wanted to talk to y'all a little bit. Since this is my 7th day, officially 1 week post op Vsg hiatal hernia repair. Oh, them hiccups still hurt a little bit. Trying to decide which way I want to go today. I think I'm gonna just go over here to the left, to the left, to the left. So, 7 days post op. How do I feel? I feel rejuvenated. I feel like I can do this. I feel like I just feel like anew, like brand new. See the sun? Nice, cool, not too hot. I ain't gonna talk too long because I really want to get some walk in. But yeah, immediately after surgery, recuperating, vomited vomited more than what was anticipated. Second night, vomited once. No, that wasn't second night. That was second afternoon. When I got home from the hospital, vomited once. Stayed strict to the diet, liquids and everything. Did that, clear liquids for 4 days. Progressed to stage 2, which meant incorporating puddings and yogurt and cottage cheese, sugar-free, fat-free, low, everything 0. But this journey is so much more than that to me. This journey is about relearning my body, reteaching my body, understanding that my body ain't like everybody else's body. My body might not require what the other body might require. You know what I mean? And getting myself out of that cycle of, oh, well, they did it. Me too. So can I. Nah. This is life-changing. Like, this is a new start. And I'm not going to take it for granted. And I ain't going to fuck it up. Point blank, period. Like, I was blessed. I'm telling you, I was blessed. 43 years old. 5'11", highest weight 312 pounds. Surgery weight 298.7. Current weight, I don't know, but I feel good. So y'all, I'm gonna walk a little bit, record a little bit more when I get back to that. And look at this, I'm talking to y'all while I'm walking. Like, I'm breathing, but I'm not. It's just an amazing feeling. So I will catch y'all on the flip side. Peace. Hey family, Mamie.Lynnette here. Back from my walk, 30 plus minute, and crushed it. Like, give me the hammer because I nailed it. Wow. Sipping on my 1 ounces at a time of Crystal Light mixed with lemonade. Crystal Light raspberry mixed with Crystal Light lemonade. So I got lemonade. It works for me. walk was amazing. I feel absolutely incredible. This is 7 days post op Vsg and hiatal hernia repair. 1 week, and I feel amazing. Like I feel rejuvenated, which I mentioned on my going out for my walk. I do. I feel like I'll be giving it a shot, another chance. Like not only in the new year, but I've been given a tool that will help me live healthier. This tool is one of the many things I was given. I was given the understanding, I was given some wisdom, I was given some knowledge, all through prayer and meditation. Like, I'm going to be a little selfish this year because I want to relearn my body. I want to teach her. I want to understand her. I want to do all these things in order to heal her. And I don't know if y'all heard of Queen of Four, and I might be saying it wrong, but there's a book called Heal Thyself. Many, many years ago, I started my journey to yoga. And studied so many spiritual and religious attributes and theories, and I went in. But I'm being selfish. I say I'm gonna be selfish because I gotta be a little bit selfish because I gotta take care of me. Like at 43 years old, I had gotten to being overweight, unhealthy. Yeah, I was cute, pretty, beautiful, whatever the acronym, attribute, not acronym, whatever adjective that you want to use to describe it. But I made it to 43 years. And that's all I did. Yeah, I accomplished some great things. But my health was horrible. I was overweight. I was in pain every day, medicating and self-medicating, and taking medication, like prescribed medication, because I had high blood pressure. Acid reflux, gastrointestinal reflux disease is what they call it. Depression, PTSD, physical body pains, plantar fasciitis, sciatica. Like the list goes on and on. But I'm going to tell you what, it's been 3 days since I've taken my blood pressure medicine. I've had no headaches from my blood pressure being crazy high. I've had no pounding in my eyes, no seeing spots because I couldn't control my blood pressure even with taking the medicine because my healthy living habits did not exist. So I'm going to be selfish because everything that I need to do for me, I'm going to do for me to maintain my health, my oneness. So this is another, probably about 10 minutes. Y'all all know this is week 1, so y'all gonna see some skin. So if there's any fat shamers out there, skin shamers, black girl shit, I don't give a damn if you, whatever you shaming. If you ain't trying to see my incisions, my stretch marks, my tattoos, exit stage left. However, if you are like me and you want to see more, like there's so many VSG videos out there. Everybody, we do body shots. Everybody gets on the scale and everybody does these things in a weight loss community. If you're like me and you basically you're studying, please come on in the room. So y'all gonna see some skin. Y'all gonna see my incisions. Because I took those pictures yesterday. I'm gonna tell you today. Woo, baby. My stomach is flatter. Stomach is getting flatter. And not because of working out. I'm guarantee you, purely because I had a lot, 80+% of my stomach removed. And I've been on a no food diet, like liquid and basically liquid and thick liquids. So, the walking is helping me. It's just helping me. Not even sure what the walking does. What does the walking do? Somebody tell me. But I know it's helping me. So, is it helping the weight loss? I don't know. Could it be? Could it be? Do I know how much I weigh today? Possibly. Am I going to share it? Nope, because it ain't official. I'm going to wait till I go to my follow-up with my surgeon on the 14th so I can step on that scale. I'm going to make sure that I vlog it. And I'm going to make sure that my toes are cute. Peace, y'all. Love and light. Peace and blessings.